Okay, my name is Video Game Monster. Today we are going to look at Scary Thomas videos and okay. Which one should we do? Okay, I don't know which one. Let's do this one. It's so creepy too. Because like near the night, there's always a train that I hear. It just honks and it's like, it's so scary. It's just like, this is really scary for me because there's a train that comes by us. Like every time we can hear it too. Like it's at the night, so you're not gonna hear it on the radio. So yeah, that's pretty scary. So Thomas the Nightmare Engine. Wait, I want to see like the comments on this. Literally, when a friend opens a bag of chips, yeah, it's like, with line like, just imagine. We need a horror game of this. Yeah, you do. Well, that's a lot of likes. This even, how did I like that video? I never even watched this. It just looks like Thomas, but okay. Yeah, how to animate Thomas, but still. Okay, Creepy Thomas the Tank Engine. Did I say Trank Engine? I thought this was supposed to scare. Why is the pets that will absolutely Ryan near there? Wait. Oh, it just started. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. There's all this happy music. Oh, maybe it's not that. Maybe it is very scary. Is everything black? Wait. Oh. Why am I on the tracks? I'm gonna get ran over. Wait, what's that up there? I see it's on his face. Wait, what's that? Oh, it's the light. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I feel like someone's just coming from behind me. Wait. Oh my. I'm like, oh my, it's Thomas. Okay. That's scary. What's so scary besides that? Is there one behind me? Oh. Oh, we got hit. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, are we a train? Wow, that's cool. I'm like, wow, are we a train? Well, that's cool. Like, what? And like, oh, we are a train. Oh, okay, which way are we going? Wait, what's that up there? What? Which way is it? Is this good? I don't think Thomas. Okay, we're going this way. Okay. What the heck? Will that somebody behind me? No. Thomas. He's locked up. No, that's just a creepy version. Oh, is that Thomas? Is this a real Thomas over here? It could be a real Thomas. It's crying. What? Oh, yeah, I would be crying right now if this was real. Oh! Wait, what? Is there something behind me? I am so glad I'm not wearing headphones. And they're at max level. Okay, can we turn this down? It's a bit scary. No, it's actually not. Okay. I hear Roblox sounds. I just. Oh, it's dark again. Okay. Okay, I don't know which way I'm looking. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Oh, that's Thomas. No, we're leaving. Yeah, guys. Okay, we're leaving that one. That's on the reaction video. Oh, this is all fake though. Look, it's fake. He's animating it. See? Okay, time for Thomas to freeze. The boss of life? Yeah, what is this guy? Like, it has to be the boss of life. Cyan Head versus Godzilla. That'd be awesome, but that's not the video. It's not. Okay, we should do Godzilla versus Cyan Head. Who do you think would win? That's just nightmare though. That's my worst night. Okay, I was like saying how scary it was. Now I'm laughing. Thomas, this is creepy. What? Okay. There's Thomas. Hello. Okay. What is Thomas? Is he a worm? Cause that way he looks like that. Like, is he a worm? Like, is he a worm? Okay, it's a spider thing now. That's not a spider. That's 6 legs. Spiders have 8 legs. What is he? Is he a caterpillar? But no, they have more legs. Oh, he's bigger. Yeah. Yeah, I bet everyone wanted him. No way. Who wants this guy to get bigger? Okay. The next one's by him, and this one's scary, I think. It looks scary. Okay, guys. It's creepy. Is anyone behind me? Of course. Oh no, I'm not gonna watch this one. Oh no. You have to watch that one person because I'm scared. Okay, this guy has it, but that's like so long. Cursed Thomas. Okay. Wait. Is it a Cookie Monster? Okay, let's see. It's Thomas face swap. Thomas face swap. Just imagine that on there. That would be good. It's a Thomas Deaf. Oh, what's... I don't know.
Thomas had never been the first operation. He hadn't even been second.
Watch shed number 17.
No, I'm not watching that. That one's also looks too scary. Oh, this one. Who's this? Who is this? Cursed Thomas. This isn't cursed. It's fake. We know that because he's editing it. Why would you do that? Now we all know it's fake. Okay, how to make Thomas. Okay, I watched this one before. Scary Thomas. There. Okay, he's building it. Okay, you get your white clay. This is super fast. Okay. Is it pretty long? Okay. Okay. Okay, this is obviously the face, because his face is white, or whatever this color is. It's not white, really. It's more of a gray, I would think. Okay, put some clay there. Why would you put clay there? This guy makes a lot of other videos. So, okay, so you bend it. You would have to hurry before it dries. So you can't just take a break and let it dry. Okay, Thomas the Train. How to make Thomas. Okay, cutting that. Okay, what do you do to make Thomas? Thomas tutorial. That's weird. Just Thomas tutorial. Let's go faster. Pause it if you need to. Is that clay? It looks awful fake. Oh, that's clay. That's clay. Yeah. It doesn't look like clay, does it? Okay, that is clay, but it doesn't look like it to me. Okay, let's see. Play design. Yeah, it can roll. Same as any other ball in the world, probably. Okay, you can use toothpicks for this, I think. Because I think toothpicks would be easier. Or you could use whatever this guy's using. Okay, make this into a box. I explain it this more like. Okay, this is long. 17 million likes. Okay, you just kind of made a mess of it. Okay. This is so cool, this part. I feel like it's so cool. Wow, just look at that. So perfect. It's so... The clay, it's just so shiny. It's so shiny, it looks like so good. I wish I had these Play-Doh stuff. Are these Play-Doh or are these clay? Oh, it's clay. I wish I had clay and was this good. Okay, make them there. Okay. Okay. And to find this, type in Creepy Thomas the Tank Engine theme. That's how you come up with. This is what you find if you type in. Okay. What he's doing. I feel like many kids watch Thomas the Train, but now, did you realize there's not that much Thomas the Train videos anymore? Okay. So let's say the next. Also, leave a comment if you ever watched Thomas the Train. Like, leave a comment. I watched Thomas the Train before. Okay, now we're gonna do his face, I think. Okay, so put that in there. Let's see this. Oh, perfectly straight line. I don't think Thomas has a line face though. No, he definitely does not. Okay, how? Oh, you're using. Okay, you're doing the spider version. Okay, the spider version. Okay, let's see the spider version. Okay, if you didn't do a spider version, it wouldn't be scary. So yeah, like, okay, yeah, the spider version is good. Yeah, it wouldn't be scary, and that's the name of the video probably. Scary Thomas the Train. So yeah, okay, what's this? Oh, it's just an easier way to make the legs, is it? No, it's his face. Okay, he's a worm. Spider / not spider. He's more like a spider. He's a spider worm. Just imagine if those existed. I would cry if those existed. The face with all white just looks creepy. What are you making? This looks like Thomas with a mustache. Oh, it's his cheeks. Okay, so you. Wow, he has red eyes. Do you have red eyes in the last one? Okay, teeth. This is creepy. Okay, without the face it would be creepy, but without this creepy face. Oh, okay. Wait, doesn't Thomas... What does Thomas' teeth look like? I don't know. I don't know what Thomas looks like. And that's a different color. You see that? Thomas the Choo-Choo Train. Okay, that's him. That's really good. You did a good job on that. It's just like, look, that face is, yeah, this face is that face. Like, no, that's not the right faces. Okay, the last one. Curse Thomas the Train. 100 likes. Well, we got a lot more than 100 likes. Okay. People going in mines. Yeah, yeah, it's blocked off for a reason, I would expect. Yeah, I'm just pretty sure. That's a lot of people too. Like that much people agreeing to go. Oh, bats. Just scared. Just run out. Run out if you see that. Just run out if you see Thomas. He's a cartoon character. If you see him in real life, run. Oh, you're gonna drive him. Okay, how do you drive Thomas? Oh, he's gonna eat one of them. He's gonna eat the black one, cause the black here girl, cause it's close. Yeah, it's blocked off for a reason. I realize that's blocked off for a reason. Oh, rocks. Yeah, repairing rocks. Oh, did you help him? You just hit the rocks in his face. Well, okay. Okay, only 2 survivors, maybe. Yeah, it's a reason. Yeah, I realized there's a reason why it's blocked off. Yeah, no wonder why it's blocked off. There's a giant spider Thomas. There's a giant worm spider Thomas / not worm spider Thomas. What the heck did I just say? Okay, we'll do one more. And I see Cyan Head. Okay. Who would win, Cyan Head or Thomas? That's like, or Curse Thomas. That's like the ultimate battle. Okay. Okay, some more people entering abandoned stuff. I don't know why you're that dumb. But okay. Why are they so dumb, these people in this? Okay. There's actually, like, way less. I don't know how many people there was in the last one. But still, this one has a lot less. Okay. They all have a flashlight. Yeah, I don't think it would be a good idea to, like, go in front. Cause that, okay, if you go in that train, if you go in that abandoned train, oh, he's going in the abandoned train. Yeah, it's tons. Why do people like abandoned mines? Oh, well, who's this? What's that? What is that? What is that? It eats trains. You're still alive. No, you're not still alive. Okay. Run, run, run. Oh. I was gonna say. Okay, it's smart to be in the. Okay. Oh, Thomas the Train. Who's gonna win? Train Eater or whatever? It eats trains, so we'll call him Train Eater. So, yeah. Oh, his arm is bit off. His arms are bit off. And he's dead, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's dead. Train Eater won. But now Thomas is dead. So no more Thomas videos because he's dead. Maybe they stopped making Thomas videos because they were making creepy videos and they were too scared people would get scared of Thomas. So that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell.